What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Juan Bros. My name is Barry. Today I'm gonna get my, well, there's an unfortunate story that happened to my car. Upon arrival here in Germany, the car shipping company, they cracked my front lip. All right, they cracked my front lip. They told me to go get an estimate, and today that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get an estimate and see how much it costs to repair my cracked lip, because with a cracked lip, as I'm going on the Autobahn here in Germany, it just gets more cracked and cracked and cracked because of the amount of downforce that it produces on a front lip when I'm going like 100 miles an hour. It sucks, it keeps cracking, I hate it. So I'm gonna go see and get a quote and see what it costs to fix my front lip. We are almost there where I need to be. Good old Germany. I'm here in this little town called Grafenwehr, and right now I'm headed to their X-Pro Fred's Auto Body, I think that's how you say it. So, gotta lift it up because it's have to do the lift. Some of the entrances here, some of the ramps here, got a ditch. So back down. All right, need to find myself a parking spot. So these are currently my damages. So that I did, that they did, and when I went to Autobahn, it went more, it cracked even more. So that's a no-go. I'm gonna get it fixed hopefully by X-Pro over there, so they're gonna fix it for me. But right now, like I said, I'm just getting a quote, and right now he quoted me for about 2,000 euro. I mean, because you got the labor of moving the bumper, you got the labor of moving this, and not only is this fiber, it's also fiberglass. So you're gonna patch up the work. I don't know how much labor hours that's gonna be. And then on top of that, you have the wrap. So they have to fix the wrap, and it's no joke. But luckily, they have satin dark gray. That's my wrap color right here. Satin dark gray. Luckily, they have satin dark gray here at the shop because they're already working on cars with a satin dark gray. So I lucked out. But essentially, I need to get a quote. He quoted me for 1,900 or 1,980, and now I'm gonna send the quote to the shipping company, and hopefully they pay me out. In a nutshell. All right, let's get out of here. Maybe I should have tried Fred's too. Oh, well, next time. On it, time to go first. And of course, air up. Let's go. We have a lot of ditches here in Germany, you know that? A lot of ditches. Damn, dude. Dude almost hit me. You gonna go or what? Look at that. Look at that ditch right there. Oh my God. Here we go. Clear right. Nobody random is just coming through, so there's the best part. Air down. I love that. Oh, you hear the click? That was it. Man, it's gonna be a process to fix this lip, but I'm ready for the battle with the shipping company because they messed up my front lip. I can't have fun out here in Germany because I can't go the speeds that I want. You know what? I might just take off my front lip just so I can do what I want to do, and then so I can just leave it here and fix it. One of the cooler things about going to that shop, X-Pro, I'm here in Germany. I have a Lexus RCF. They said he doesn't see these things around. He says it's pretty cool, which is cool. It's cool to see other people appreciate the RCF, because I'll be honest, back home in the United States, people don't appreciate the Lexus RCF enough, and I'm here to change that. Let's just say that. That's the purpose of this YouTube channel. So, nice little town of Grafenwehr. Pretty cool. I've never been out here at 10 o'clock a.m. It's pretty active looking. How's it going, everybody? This is day 2 of my venture to get a quote for my front lip. Now, I say day 2 of my ventures because the first place that I went to, I'm not gonna list the names, but it's probably in the video, he did not send me a quote. It's been 2 weeks and he hasn't sent me anything. So I'm here trying to go to look for another shop. That way I can get the quote. That way I can get paid out for the damages. Then I can repair the lip. So right now I'm on my way to a place called Weiden. Weiden is right now about 6 minutes away, but I'm gonna show you a shop that my friend recommended to me, and let's see if they can help me out. It says I am almost there, so this is exciting. Got my friend over there gonna meet me, so let's get to it. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm really hoping that they can help me out and give me a quote right there and then. That way I can submit it and then get what I need. So it's the only thing that is truly stopping me from. It's the only thing that's truly stopping me from going crazy on the Autobahn and going to the Nürburgring. So we are right here. All right, let's see, where are we going? Where am I going? This place is looking kind of shady, but it's here somewhere. I see a lot of car stuff here, so it's got to be one of these buildings. A lot of these BMWs. Okay. Not bad. Okay, now I don't know what's going on over there, but all right. Well, that's my friend's car right there, so I must be in the right place. Yeah, how much do you think something like that would cost to fix? All fiberglass, yeah. All right, I'm asked to drive inside. I'm asked to drive inside over there, and that way they can take pictures and stuff. So we'll see how that works out. I'm gonna hit his car. My friend's car over here. All right, time to drive in this thing. It's an interesting shop, I would say. Look at this place. Interesting shop. So apparently this place does car wrapping. They have a lift right here. They're doing probably other maintenance stuff. Then they got other stuff here. Over here they got auto body. I think they do some painting here. It's pretty cool. Wow, look at that thing. It's not like, if only my car can do that. Lean to the side like that. But overall, not bad. Not bad of a shop. But so far, he's gonna help me out, get a quote. He's gonna see what the damages are. So you guys, I got that much damage. All that is from the shipping company, but hopefully they can give me a good quote. So there's even a hidden room, and I'm about to go in here. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going this way because he's showing me around. Oh wow, look at that. A 300ZX, nice. I like this. JDM. This right here, I think this is where they do all the tire mounting and stuff like that. This shop is pretty much sounds and looks like a one-stop shop. Car wrapping, auto body, mechanical, tire mounting, anything that you can think of. I wonder if they do wheel alignments here. Wheel alignments? They probably do wheel alignments here. That's pretty cool. Not a bad place. Yeah, liquid moly. So here's one of the coolest things about my car that nobody really realizes until I press a button. So what I just did was lower my front end with a stand spark cup kit. So it's pretty cool. Air ride up, front cups to lift up when I need to go into like a ramp or something. So it's good stuff. The reactions of people though. One thing I will do right now is I'm going to fix my front coilover stiffness because I lowered it for comfort, but I think I'm more of a stiff. I like it. I like the coilovers more stiff. So that was about 5 clicks. So let's try this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5. Max stiffness in the front. Yeah. Got the clicking sound as normal. Alright, let's see if there's enough air for this to happen.
Oh, yeah. Alright. It's nice. So, I have a body kit.
Aircuts, baby! Alright guys, that's conclude today's journey for me on my day 2 of trying to find out a quote for my front lip, but it's okay. I got what I need. They're gonna give me the quote on Wednesday. He said about €250. That translates to about $320 United States dollars. So hopefully it works out for me, but I'll see what happens Wednesday. But thank you for watching. I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next one. Peace.